Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to add a video in a product. So let's move on to the website module and let's create a new product. So here you can find e-commerce. From there, move on to the products and let's create a new product. Upon clicking on new button, this would allow us to create a new product. I would like to create a product called Holy Land Mic. So once the product has been added, let's set it as favorite and we want to add the image of the product. So here we can find the product image, Holy Land. And if you want to track the inventory, you can just enable this. And afterwards, let's move on to the sales module. And here you can find we have the option to add the media. So here we have the e-commerce media, where we have the option to add the video. So upon clicking on add media, you can see that we'll be getting a wizard to select the image as well as videos. So here I'll be moving on to the videos, and this would allow you to accept the links from YouTube, Vimeo, Daily Motions and UQ videos. So I'll be adding my URL over here. Now let me add the URL. So once the URL is added over here, you can see that you can just go with the autoplay, loops, hide player control, and hide full screen button. So here you can see that videos are muted when autoplay is enabled. So let me enable this video right now over here. So you can see it will be automatically muted over here. And if you want to unmute this, you can just do that. So here we have the option to unmute. And if you don't want to make any auto playing of this video, just uncheck or unenable the option. Afterwards, click on add button so that this will be added over here. So you can see that we have added the video over here, and let's save this. And afterwards, you can also find that we have the e-commerce description and e-commerce description, where we can add the description of the product. So I would like to add the description of the product as Holy Land is a Chinese company specialized in high performance wireless technology. So once the e-commerce description is given, you can find this in the website. So here currently we have created a product. Now we just need to publish this in the website. So let's move on to go to website, and here you can see that we can just publish this. So once it's been published, you can find that the description of the mic, that is Holy Land, is a Chinese company specialized in high performance wireless technology. And as you move on here, you can find the extra media that we have added. And the extra media is in form of a video. So if you want to just get the review of this product, you can also just get it from Odoo by adding the extra media as video. So this is one of the new feature that you can find under Odoo 19 website. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.